So hey, welcome back to the channel, Rob Laquan Auto and Sport. Just want to show you guys a quick video. These are the original equipment, Max Performance summer tires, the Pirelli P0s that are mounted on the 20-inch Carrera S, polished painted black wheels. And they're getting ready to go on in a couple of weeks. As soon as mid-April rolls around, the temperatures come up to that consistent zone above 45 degrees day and night. And actually, I'd like to get into the 50s, quite frankly, just because these things get really hard and useless in the cold temperatures, talking from experience here. So anyway, one of the things I did during the winter while these were here in the basement is I went ahead and put a ceramic coating on them. And I'll give it a sort of a small review right now. This is the GTechniq C5 Wheel Armour product. And I did the project slowly over several days down here in the basement during the winter. And when I got the car pre-owned, it was, the wheels were in the condition that they were in. So I had to kind of do a lot of prep before I did the ceramic coating. And, they're not perfect, but that's just the way the wheels had been patinaed from the prior usage and the prior owner. So I tried to get them back to his original condition as I could, nice and shiny. And then I put the application on. And I'll give a review how these do in the summertime. They're a different wheel than the wheel I have in the car right now. The wheel I have in the car right now that you saw from the other videos on my winter tire videos are a off-the-rack tire rack brand that they stuck the Pirelli Winter Sada Zero tires on for me. So those are not Porsche rims. And they're also gloss black painted, but I can tell you that this product, which I also put on those wheels as well, didn't work as well as I thought. And I'm not really trying to knock GTechniq and the C5 Armour. I think it's more of an issue that brake dust is just an insidious entity in life that will just get on your wheels and will never come off easily. Easily is a relative term. All the research I did before I got involved with this stuff, I was kind of led to believe that the brake dust would just magically fall off your wheel and you'd never have a problem. But I was kind of naive, to be honest with you, and I realized that, yeah, with the ceramic coating on the wheels, it's just that the brake dust is easier to get off when you get in there with the wheel woolly and the brushes and the hose and the pressure and the whole thing. So you still got to sit down and spend a lot of time cleaning your wheels when you wash the car. But it does come off. But it's just. Listen, it's not David Copperfield stuff, the ceramic coating. The brake dust is going to stick to your wheel no matter what. At least that's been my experience with the winter wheels from Tire Rack. So I'm wondering, after I put these on, if the same thing will happen. I imagine that it would. This is painted aluminum alloy. These are forged wheels, original equipment from Porsche, so they're very expensive because they're forged. But I don't think that really has anything to do with it. It's a painted shiny wheel, and even with the ceramic coating, I know that light brown brake dust is going to get on there, and I'm going to have to really get in there and get it off when I do the car washings, which is fun. This is what we love to do. I'm not really complaining, but I just want anybody that's getting into this field right now, who's an amateur or just an enthusiast like me, who you got your first nice car and a nice set of wheels, and you're reading all the products on YouTube and the web, and you're watching all the videos, and you see guys raving about ceramics on your wheels. Just know that, it'll give you extra protection, but you're still going to get brake dust. I mean, bottom line, that's just a fact of life. I guess you kind of have to wrap your head around the fact that brake dust, if you can convince yourself, is actually a good thing, because that means you have a really good braking system. They're doing what they're designed to do. Those dusts are iron particles from the rotors that shed off in a high-performance application. And really, it shows that your brake system is doing its job. So if you kind of learn to appreciate it from a scientific point of view, you can kind of, deal with the deficit in the aesthetics. It's just, it's going to be unsightly, and you're going to have to spend a little extra time cleaning. But I still wanted to try this product, and I'll give an honest review on the summer tires and how they do when it comes to washing and keeping the brake dust off and the other dirt. And we'll go from there. But I'm looking forward to putting these on. This is exciting stuff. These tires, absolutely horrible, and anything under 50 degrees, obviously, it's common sense summer tires. But, warm weather can't come fast enough. So I'll give you guys another video when the time comes.